Be mild, unraveling the phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive into an interesting English phrase, be mild. We'll explore its meaning, its usage, and some examples to make sure you're comfortable using it in everyday conversations. Let's get started. Mild is an adjective that originally refers to something that is gentle or not severe in nature. In weather terms, when we say the day is mild, it means it's neither too hot nor too cold. In the context of food, a mild flavor or spice level indicates it's not too strong or overpowering. When someone uses the phrase, be mild, they're essentially advising someone to be gentle, calm, or moderate in their actions or responses. It's a suggestion to avoid extremes, harshness, or overreacting. For example, 1. If two friends are arguing and one of them is raising their voice, a mediator might step in and say, be mild, indicating that they should calm down and discuss the matter gently. 2. If someone is giving feedback, saying, be mild, might mean to deliver the feedback in a kind and constructive manner without being overly critical. 1. Parenting. Parents might tell their children to be mild with a pet, meaning to handle the pet gently and with care. 2. Workplace. A manager might ask an employee to be mild during a meeting, suggesting they present their points without getting overly emotional or aggressive. 3. Friendships. If a friend is known for their strong and sometimes overpowering opinions, another might remind them to be mild when discussing sensitive topics. And there you have it. The phrase, be mild, is a gentle reminder to approach situations with calmness, patience, and moderation. As with many English phrases, understanding the context is key. We hope this video helps you incorporate this phrase into your vocabulary with confidence. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.